So have you noticed how, oops, let me lift this up. Have you noticed that it's a little bit different today with it being April Fool's Day? Just a little bit. Let's do some word work next. Would you take, I'm wearing my most casual clothes you'll probably ever see me in. Just my sweatshirt. I got this when I used to teach high school. I used to teach at Tyee High School, and their mascot was the totems. You get out your word workbook, the est word family, and let's read our word so far. Nest. I see that nest. It is up in the tree. All those words we can read. The next word is guest, with that unusual spelling, G-U. Guest. Here is my uncle. He is our guest. Okay, today's page, you have your pencil ready. And then at the top of the paper, you're writing E, S, T, like that, and then a line across the middle to divide it in half. Math words, divide and half. Okay. The word we're going to use today has two letters at the beginning that make the ch sound. Ch. If you think you know what those two letters are, write them in the air. Ch. Good. C and H. Let's write that on our papers here. Does your word look like this now? It's the word chest. Now the picture we're going to draw has two lines to start with, like that. It's a little bit of a geometry shape, it will look like. And then there are three lines coming down. A little bit like the 3D pictures that we made in the last math unit. And now I'm going to connect them like that. I'm adding another diagonal line. And then one more diagonal line here. I'm going to go into the chest to draw a short line there with two diagonal lines coming from that end line. Here we're kind of looking into the chest. And then I'm making a curvy line over here. And a curvy line over there. I'll connect those two. And then it has the top, kind of an arc, a top of the chest that would close over. Your job will be to put something silly April Fool's-ish in your chest. That part you can finish. Okay, please have your space bar ready. Space. I need to get one. And purple punctuation. And writing with marker or pencil. Sorry, writing with pencil, and your purple can be crayon or marker. I'm going to start with the first grade word, but we've written it several times. It's the word this. And then two kindergarten words after that. And then I have no more space on my line after that. Remember your space bar in between. And then reading with me. This is my... Ready? With your space bar the sideways way. And then we're writing the word chest. This is my chest. Remember your purple punctuation at the end and using your space bar in between. Next, we're going to write a question sentence. So it will start with the kindergarten word, do. I ran out of space to write the word you, but you can write it there or use your space bar to put underneath that. Do you see, the word see, do you see, kindergarten word, a. Remember, if you run out of space on this side and turn over your paper to the back, you have lots of space back there. Just like when we have our lined writing paper, it's the same thing. This is my chest. Do you see a, and then I won't write anything because each of us will write something differently because it will match the picture that you'll put up on top. But do put a purple punctuation at the end of the space. You'll do sound spelling to sound spell whatever you put in there. Are you going to put something like, pirate's chest, like gold, or something silly like a giraffe? You get to decide. Since it's April Fool's Day, something silly to be in the chest would be fun. When you're ready, your kindergarten red crayon or marker, and then underlining the kindergarten words that I put into this sentence. Did you find the word is, my, do, you, see, a? All of those are kindergarten words. Then when you're ready, an orange crayon or marker for the word this. Lots of words we can read. Lots of words we can write. Lots of words we can spell. Kindergarten words we are successful in knowing, and the first grade words that we are continuing to learn and practice. This, and then the sound spelling you'll do for the picture, for the word that matches the picture at the top. Okay? So we have 3 words so far. Nest, guest, and chest. Finish your picture and your sound spelling at the bottom when you have time, or right now when you're finished. Okay, thanks.